Okay. Good morning to everybody. Okay, we are going to start 2B chapter. 2B chapter. First yellow I have taken 1B. Now I am going to take 2B. Okay. First chapter name circles. Okay. Chapter number 1 is the circles. In weightage, its weightage is 7 plus 7, 4 plus 2 plus 2, 22 marks. Okay, very important chapter. Okay, basically గుర్తుంచుకోండి, circles has got 2 7 marks, 1 4 marks, 2 marks. Okay, most important chapter. There are 2 chapters, one is circles, other one is integration. These 2 chapters will have 40 marks. ఈ రెండు chapters కలిపితే మనకు 40 marks ఉంటాయిరా. So circles కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఇస్ ద బేసిక్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్? circles, this is a center h comma k, this is the point x comma y, this is called r, radius. Okay, so circle is nothing but a closed figure with the center and radius and a point on the circle. The equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What is the first formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here h comma k is the center and r is the radius. First formula. Okay. Based on this, let us see some problems. If the center is 3 comma 4, r is 5, r is 6. Okay. Then equation. Here first you consider h comma k and r is given. Formula. First I have to write the formula. Formula enter x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Put the values. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square is 6 square. A minus b whole square formula. X square minus 6x plus 9, y square minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 36. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 25 is equal to 36. What I have done? I have substituted the value of h and k and r value. So final answer x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y minus 11 is equal to 0. Why minus 11, sir? 25 minus 36 is minus 11. So formula is what, sir? Circle. Equation is x minus 6 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. H comma k is the center, r is the radius. First example, center is 3 comma 4, r is equal to 6. Then equation h comma k radius. Substitute the formula. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, which is gives a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square a square. So simple substitution. One more problem. Center is minus 5 comma minus 7, radius is 8. So again this is h comma k and formula equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus of minus will become plus. Here observe change, sir. Minus how? So minus of minus will become plus. X plus a 5 whole square minus of minus will be plus whole square is equal to a square. So what will happen? X square plus 10x plus 25, y square plus 14y plus 49 is equal to 64. Now x square plus y square plus 10x plus 14y, 25 plus 49, 74 is equal to 64. So x square plus y square plus 10x plus 14y minus 10 is equal to 0. So center radius is given. Center radius is given. Okay. What I want, please note down this. Okay, we'll do remaining problems. Okay. Now one more problem. Center is minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 radius is 5. Again formula enter x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Formula it. So minus of minus is plus whole square plus y plus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 5 square. Okay, now expand x square plus 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x. I am writing మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి మొత్తం రాస్తున్నాను సార్. x square 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, 2 into ab, 2 into 1 by 2 into x. Next one, y square plus 9 by 16 plus 2 into 3 by 4 into y is equal to 25. Right? So x square 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1 by 4 plus x, y square plus 9 by 16, 2 will get cancelled 2 times, 3y by 2 is equal to 25. Now here fractions are there. Okay, we have to be careful. So what I am doing, multiply by 16. Multiply by 16. Why? Denominator 16 unnadu sir. So multiply cheyandi. 16x square, 4 will go 4 times plus 4, 16x plus 16y square plus 9 plus 16 means 8 means 24y is equal to 25 into 16 is 400. మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ x plus 1 by 2 whole square, x square plus 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x, y square plus 9 by 16 because 3 by 4 whole square, 2 into 3 by 4 into y. Then cancellation చేసిన తర్వాత we get this. What is the equation? X square plus 1 by 4 plus x, then y square plus 9 by 16 plus 3y by 2. Multiply by what? 16. 16 is the denominator. So 16x square, 16 will go with 4 times, 16x, then 16y square plus 9 plus 24y plus 400 because 25 into 16. Now final simplification. 16x square plus 16y square plus 16x plus 24y. 9 plus 4 is 13 is equal to 400. Last step. 16x square plus 16y square plus 16x plus 24y minus 387 is equal to 0. Right? So we have simplified this directly. Next. Center is 1, 3, radius is 1 by 5. Now again formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 5 whole square. So this becomes x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 1 by 25. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 is equal to 1 by 25. Cross multiply with 25. 25 unnada, cross multiply. So 25x square plus 25y square minus 50x minus 150y plus 250 is equal to 1. So simplification sir. So what will happen? Final answer 25x square 25y square minus 50x minus 150y plus 249 is equal to 0. So taken fractions sir. Okay, please understand here only simplification part is very very important. Okay, please note down. Right now, so what we have seen now, center is given, radius is given. Okay, center icharu, radius icharu sir, formula application. Okay, now next model general ga 2 marks question sir idi. Okay, 2 marks question. Now what I am discussing is very very important. Find the equation of the circle which passes from 1 comma 3 and center at 1 comma 2. What is the question? Find the equation of a circle which passes from 1 comma 3 and center at 1 comma 2. So I am writing the given data. What is the center? 1 comma 2. H comma k ichcharu sir manaki. And what is the point E is given? 1 comma 3. Now what is the radius? Distance between center and the point. CP. What is the radius? Distance between center and the point. Distance formulas are x2 minus x1 whole square, 1 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square is equal to 1, which is nothing but 1. Because 1 minus 1 0, 3 1. So radius vachindi sir. Now equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 1 whole square, here this is center sir, ikkada unna sir center, h minus, so y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square is 1 square. What is the importance of this problem? He has not given center and radius, he has given center and the point. Ikkada em icharu sir, manaku center icharu, point icharu. So CP formula apply cheyali, distance between the center and the point. Radius ఎంత వచ్చింది sir? 1. So equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 1 ikkada very very important, very దీనిలో 2 మార్క్స్ కి ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇది సార్. ఈ సెంటర్ ని కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి, పాయింట్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే మార్క్స్ రావు సార్. సో x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 1 square. మళ్ళీ expand is equal to 1, a minus b whole square. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y, 1 plus 4 is 5 is equal to 1. So x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So point and the center. One more problem. Find the equation of circle which passes from 5 comma 1 and center minus 2 comma minus 3. Malli solution. What is the center? Minus 2 comma minus 3. H comma k. Immediately ga pakkan rasen sir. Right, immediately. H comma k. You will never make a mistake. And what is the point? 5 comma 1. Okay. So radius. What is the radius? CP. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 5 minus of minus become plus, 5 plus 2 whole square, 1 plus 3 whole square. So CP is equal to 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16. It is root of. Okay. Now equation of circle. What is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Again formula, same method we are using here, but ikkada em chestunam points of change. Here h comma k is this one sir, x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to r square root 65 square. So what will happen? X plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to root 65 whole square. Expand plus 4 y square plus 6y plus 9. Root 65 square is 65. So x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y, 9 plus 4 is 13 is equal to 65. Bring 65 this side. Minus 52. Is it clear? So what we are doing every time? Every time we are doing center and the point is given, we are finding radius. Center and the point is given, we are finding radius. Okay, this is very very important. Compulsory 2 marks from almost out of 10 times, 5 times the problem is not. He will give you a point and the center. You have to find the equation using this concept. Okay, please note down this. Okay, now one more problem. Find the equation of circle with which passes from 1 comma 3 center at origin. At origin. Now what is the center, sir? 0 comma 0. What is the center? He has given origin and ichar, sir. Very very important. And what is the point? 1 comma 3. This is h comma k. Okay, so what is the CP? Is radius root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. So which is nothing but 1 plus 9 root 10. So again equation of the circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Again x minus h comma k is 0, sir, simple, plus y minus 0 whole square, r square means root 10 whole square. So it is because x square plus y square is equal to 10. Okay, direct method. Okay, now homework. సార్ ఎప్పుడు హోంవర్క్ చూడరు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు అంతా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు కాబట్టి మీరు క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు చెక్ చేస్తారు. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్. సెంటర్ 3,5, రేడియస్ ఇస్ 7. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం అంటే ఫస్ట్ మోడల్లో ఇస్తాను సార్. సెంటర్ ఇచ్చాను, రేడియస్ ఇచ్చాను. సెంటర్ -3, -7, రేడియస్ ఇస్ 9. థర్డ్ వన్, సెంటర్ 1/2, -3/2, radius is 5. Fourth one, center is 1/2, 3/2 and radius is 1/4. Last one, center is 0, 7, radius is 1/5. First model lo center and radius concept apply cheyali sir. X minus h whole square direct formula. Second model lo istunna sir. One, center is 3, 4, point is -1, 5. Second problem, center is -3, 4 and point is 0, 7. Third problem, center is -1, -2, point is 1, 2. Then fourth one, center is 0, 0, point is 1, 5, 4. Last one, center is 1/2, 3/2 and point is 3/4, 1/4. ఇక్కడ ఒక 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చాను సార్, ఇక్కడ ఒక 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సార్. ఎక్కడైనా డౌట్లు ఉంటే మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు అడగండి. బట్ మెయిన్గా గుర్తుంచుకోండి సార్, సెంటర్ అండ్ పాయింట్ కంపల్సరీ 2 మార్క్స్ కోసం సార్ కంపల్సరీగా ఇస్తున్నారు. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ సెంటర్ అండ్ పాయింట్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ మార్చ్లో కాకపోతే సెప్టెంబర్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్లో ఇస్తారు. సో సెంటర్ అండ్ పాయింట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద చేయండి. ఇవి డైరెక్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, దేర్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ హియర్. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్. ఓకే, నౌ we have seen center and the point, center and the radius చేసాం సార్. సెకండ్ పార్ట్, ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ విత్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ diameter. ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ diameter అంటే A x1 y1, b x2 y2. End points diameters are A is x1 y1, b is x2 y2. Now equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. ఓకే, ఎన్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డయామీటర్ ఇచ్చారు సార్. ఇక్కడ ఏ పాయింట్ బి పాయింట్ ఇచ్చారు. సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏం ఫార్ములా రా, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ x1 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ x2 ప్లస్ y మైనస్ y1 ఇంటూ y మైనస్ y2. ఓకే, ఇది ఫార్ములా. నౌ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఎన్ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ ఏ ఇస్ 3, 4, b is -2, 7. రైట్. సో ఇది x1 y1 x2 y2. సో ఎన్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డయామీటర్ ఇచ్చారు. సో ఎక్స్ మైనస్ x1 ఫార్ములా రాస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా రాయండి, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Right? Formula rasam. Now x minus x1, x minus 3 into x minus 2 means what, sir? Minus of minus become plus y minus y1 4 into y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now దీంట్లో ఇది కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. x1 x2 ఇది x1 ఇది x2 సార్. డోంట్ రైట్ x1 x2 y1 y2 కాదు సార్. ఇది x1 y1 ఇది x2 y2. సో 3 and minus 2 x1. Now from here multiplication. How we will multiply? X into x. X square x into 2 2x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Next one y into y square minus 7y minus 4y plus 28 is equal to 0. Simplification. X square plus y square minus x minus 11y minus 6 plus 28 plus 22 is equal to 0. Simple formula application. Okay, one more problem. Minus 7 comma minus 4 minus 3 comma 8. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Formula equation x minus x1 x minus x2 y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x minus x1 means plus 7 x plus 3 plus y minus y1 plus 4 y minus 8 is equal to 0. Put arrow. Method tells kada manaki x into x square plus 3x plus 7x plus 21 y square minus 8y plus 4y minus 32 is equal to 0. Simplified is x square plus y square plus 10x minus 4y 21 plus minus 32 minus 11 is equal to 0. Right? X square plus y square plus 10x minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. అంటే ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి సార్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యాజ్ ఏ హోంవర్క్ సార్. 1 comma 4 3 comma minus 7 second problem. Minus 2 comma minus 4 minus 3 comma minus 7 and third problem 1 comma 8 3 comma minus 7. Okay, you can take any example or we can take 5 comma minus 7. So 3 problems. So I gave 5 problems in the first model, 5 problems in the second model, 3 problems in the third model. మొత్తం ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి సార్. ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ వీ కెన్ డిస్కస్ లేటర్. బట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ చాలా సింపుల్ సార్. ఇవన్నీ చాలా సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఓకే, చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. నోట్ చేసుకొని ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ట్రై చేయండి సార్. నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి సార్. హీరోలు అందరూ నోట్స్లు మెయింటైన్ చేయండి పర్ఫెక్ట్గా. ఓకే, దెన్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, రైట్, విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో దిస్ క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.